Welcome back to a new construction update from sunny Tampah Hills. We are at the entrance of Kastil Utara. Let's have a look. So when we're coming down to the left here, this is going to be the parking on top and some service rooms below. Looking out here to the east, we have this smaller villa. Castillo Utara is basically two villas in one. So you could divide it into two, or you could just use it whole. So this east part has 3 bedrooms and a nice infinity pool. And the villa comes close to this big rock that has been here for many, many years. So that's a very nice design feature in this villa. And over here to that side, that's the nice lap pool infinity going straight into the ocean from the living room and social area on the larger villa on the west side. That villa has 4 bedrooms, so let's go down and check it out. So down here we can now see the shape of the pool. It's a lap pool infinity going straight out to the ocean, and then a more shallow part here to the right for the kids, and then a terrace just in front of this shallow part. So if we go down here, we can feel like the infinity feeling from this pool. We're sitting on the terrace just in front of the living room right now, and I think we're not going to be disappointed here. This is Villa N&N, designed by Castillo, and at the moment we're working with the structure for the roof on the upper floor. The structure for the bedrooms below are already finished. Let's have a look. Pagi semua. I'm at the edge of Villa N&N, and this is the kind of view you're gonna get when you stay here. So on the upper floor we have social areas with kitchen, living room, lounge areas, and a nice infinity pool and a big planter box here as well. Walking down, we have a little TV room right here to the left, and then a corridor following 4 bedrooms. It's a very nice and spacious bedroom, and the bathroom is kind of integrated into the bedrooms, which is really nice, and a built-in bathtub here. Because the villa is straight, each bedroom has equal view of the bay and the sunsets. We're in the parking of Villa Luaga, designed by Hadi Prana, and this is one of my favorites because it's a little bit smaller, very space efficient. Let's have a look. So right now we're here in the living room area. We have kitchen, living, and a sofa arrangement here, and then 2 master bedrooms on each wing with 2 kids' rooms in the back, and then the bathrooms. So very smart layout. The roof of this villa has a very gentle angle. It's a steel frame and a long cantilever that allows for a lot of shade in the villa. So the temperature will be very nice. And walking out here, we have a sunken sofa and a more shallow pool, and then a deeper pool in the front. And yeah, the view from out here is just unbelievable. Walking up to Villa Tantive, this is the driveway, and then turning into the parking on the right. And up here we have the swimming pool, and then the main villa up on the other side. So we are up at Villa Tantive. This is the social areas overlooking the infinity pool, and working with the structure here for the main building. Looking good. We're driving the roads in stage 3 now. All the roads are finished and it's looking lovely. And yeah, just look at this view from stage 3. It's amazing, and you have the jungle just on each side of you. So if you haven't checked out stage 3, you should come now. So cruising down the roads here in the lower part of stage 3, when we come to certain intersections, we are using cobblestones, and this is how nicely they are laid down. Here we have solar panels that are pumping our deep wells, so the water we get here is pumped with solar energy. And following this road down to the left, this is all parklands with 2 creeks coming down. We have some fresh ponds where you can swim in, and we are like planting nice trees down in the parkland here. So if you haven't been here, you can just come and have a little walk down in this area. It's lovely. This is exciting. This is the first construction in stage 3. It's an amazing feeling standing here, I think. You're surrounded by jungle, you hear the sound of the birds, and you have the ocean in the distance. This is the villa position. It's staked out here, and on the top of that stick, that's the level of the living room. And it's a 2-bedroom villa, 1 bedroom on the east side and 1 on the west side. A very nice sized villa. Can't wait to get this up and running. We're at Villa Tibu, designed by Hadiprana. It's a 3-bedroom villa, angled to the south. It's a quite spread out villa with a lot of privacy. It has a pool and even a waterfall coming down into the pool. Let's go down and check Villa N&N. We have 1 parking above the villa here, and then the main parking below the villa. Here we're in the dining area, and here's the kitchen. We're installing the steel roof, and it's looking very nice. Walking from the kitchen and dining area out to this terrace, and where we have this beautiful curved infinity pool, and then a jacuzzi up on the left. And out here we have the library, and then the gym, and then another terrace and the pool on that side, and below, parking. Oh, okay, this is nice. Okay, this is the master bedroom to the south. It's curved, so you get the entire architectural feeling in this, and you have the entire bay, sunsets, and yeah, it's an amazing feeling being in here.